Did you know your gut is often called your second brain? In fact, it has over 100 million nerve cells. That's more than your spinal cord. Now imagine what happens when this amazing system gets leaky. Today, we're diving into the mysterious world of leaky gut syndrome. What it is, why it matters, and how something as simple as cabbage juice might help protect your gut health. What is leaky gut? Leaky gut syndrome happens when the lining of your intestines becomes too porous. Normally, your gut wall acts like a tight security guard, deciding what gets absorbed into your bloodstream. But with a leaky gut, tiny gaps allow toxins, bacteria, and undigested food particles to slip through. This can trigger inflammation, digestive problems, and even affect your immune system. Why it matters? Scientists are now linking leaky gut to conditions like food sensitivities, skin issues, fatigue, and even mood imbalances. Because remember, your gut and brain are in constant communication, so when your gut is unhappy, you feel it everywhere. Cabbage and cabbage juice effect. Now here's the exciting part. Cabbage. Yes, the simple vegetable sitting in your fridge could actually support your gut lining. Cabbage is rich in glutamine, an amino acid known to help repair and strengthen the intestinal wall. Drinking fresh cabbage juice has been studied for its soothing effects on the stomach and gut, especially for people with ulcers or irritation. Think of it as a natural gut healer, helping to close up those tiny leaks and calm inflammation. Quick tip: try adding lightly cooked cabbage to your meals, or even blending fresh cabbage juice a few times a week. Just start small, about half a cup, because raw cabbage can be powerful for digestion. So, the next time you look at cabbage, don't underestimate it. It might just be your gut's best friend. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more wellness insights. Remember, a happy gut means a healthier, happier you. Take care, and see you in the next video.